In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file to create a project within Asana. Whether you're super comfortable with Asana or finding your way around, this guide will help you seamlessly bring in your project data. We'll kick things off by setting up a new project. To start, head up to the top left corner of your Asana interface where you'll see the Create button. Give it a click, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Project. This step is our gateway to getting your data into Asana and setting up an environment tailored to your needs. Once you've clicked on Project, you'll come across an option labeled Import Project. This is where the magic happens. Selecting this option indicates to Asana that you're ready to bring in data from an external source, specifically from a CSV file. It's a straightforward yet powerful feature that lets you transform your spreadsheet data into a dynamic, interactive project setup. Next, Asana will prompt you to give your new project a name. This step is crucial as it will help keep everything organized and easy to find within your dashboard. Think of a name that clearly describes the project's purpose or outcome, something your team can quickly recognize when they log into Asana. Now that your project has a name, make sure to find and click on the Select File to Import button. This will open up a dialog box on your computer, allowing you to locate your CSV file. When you found it, grab it and drag it over into the designated file field. Asana will take it from there and start processing your data. Here comes a nifty feature. Asana offers two options for importing. You can either do it directly or leverage AI assistance. For the simplicity of this demonstration, we're opting for the direct import. This choice still offers a smooth integration without any extra hassle involved. With your choice set, it's time to move onward. Hit the Continue button and soon after, click Go to Project. This action tells Asana to finalize the import and bring you straight to your newly created project. And just like that, there you have it. Your CSV data has now been imported into Asana, and you've created a fully functional project complete with all the structure and details you need. Whether this project is just for you or you're sharing it with a team, everything you added is now ready to be expanded, edited, and used to its full potential. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned a simple CSV file into a comprehensive project in Asana. Remember, with these skills up your sleeve, organizing and managing tasks can become even more seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.